entering through its own private, double-gated street. This architectural achievement of design and sophistication is a 4-story mega mansion built atop the hills of Bel Air, California. My name is Erik Conover, and I'm going to take you on a tour of this one-of-a-kind mansion in the beautiful hills of Bel Air. The mansion has 9 bedrooms and 15 bathrooms. It's just under 19,000 square feet of living spaces and over 6,000 square feet of outdoor space, with parking for 30 cars. It's listed exclusively by Michelle Oliver at Douglas Elliman, asking a cool $56 million. Now, if you're already subscribed to my channel, you know that in this series, we tour the most incredible luxury apartments in New York City. And we have some pretty ridiculous apartments coming up in future episodes, so make sure to click that subscribe button. This series has been all about New York City and apartments, but about 6 months ago, Mike moved out to LA. So we thought it's only proper to bring the series out here. This is our first tour in Los Angeles. When you purchase this house, you're more or less purchasing a compound, right? You have this wall gating off this whole driveway, which you said, what, 30 cars?
Yeah. Your front door is this giant piece of glass on this track that just slides and disappears into the wall. Once you walk in, you're greeted with this grand foyer entrance with these beautiful couches, beautiful high ceilings. The lighting is magnificent.
From the foyer, you walk in left, and this would be the sitting room.
In this sitting room, what I really like is because all the glass opens up and makes it this indoor-outdoor fluid space, you could be sitting on indoor furniture inside your house, but still get that ocean breeze and feel just the most relaxed you could ever feel.
When these glass walls are open, this indoor sitting space flows to this outdoor sitting space with this fire pit here, views of downtown LA on a cold, clear night. I mean, what more could you ask for? From this first sitting area, we walk back to the foyer, to the other wing of the house. Over this way, we have the dining room. When you walk in a place like this, you are almost taken aback by how luxurious it is and how big it is. For a little frame of reference, I'm 6'4". Look how big this marble wall is in the dining room, just as a little backdrop. Then we go on this way to the kitchen.
This is probably the kitchen where the owner, if they wanted to do some cooking, this is where that would be done. It has this beautifully oversized countertop island.
Over here, you have a Wolf stovetop, 6-burner. From this first kitchen, the room flows into a more intimate sitting area as opposed to the one that we first saw. This room has a fireplace built in the wall, definitely a cozier feeling.
It's a little more isolated. It's a place to come and unwind and kind of get some alone time.
We are now back to the main foyer of the house. This first floor, mainly for entertaining. Now let's head upstairs. This second floor is all about private space. Right off the floating staircase is the hub of the second floor. You have what could be a space for a nice cozy office area with a bookshelf along the wall, and then a sitting area over there with a TV. First things first, I'm gonna show you the master bedroom of the house.
So when you first walk in, you have a little sitting area. It's got a couch, a TV, a fireplace, kind of a place to just relax, maybe while your significant other is getting ready and you're already ready to go. So you kind of have a living room inside of your bedroom, which is just insane. Then moving through into the actual bed area, obviously this incredibly large bed with this oversized headboard here, kind of right in the center of the room.
With the touch of a button, the entire master bedroom wall opens up to a wraparound deck, giving you those astonishing Bel Air views. Again, the theme of this house is blending that line between indoor and outdoor space seamlessly into one. When the glass walls are open, that feeling of pure relaxation in the house, it's unparalleled.
This is where the king and the queen of the castle wake up every day. This is if you're a billionaire, hundreds of millions of dollars. When you're worth that much money, this is the view you get when you wake up first thing in the morning. This is the way to start your day when you're at the top of whatever you're doing.
From the bedroom area, we're flowing right into the master bathroom. The centerpiece of the master bathroom is this egg-shelled soaking tub. Mike, I want to show you something we've never seen and something that we probably could never think of. Look at this. You have a shower fit for 10, 15 people with 5 shower heads. You have this island to show off your Rolex, your jewelry, anything you want to have easy access to that you can see. When you go to Saks Fifth Avenue and you clean out their spring collection, this is where you come home and put it all. Floor to ceiling closet space, LED lights, the works. This closet runs the entire back end of the master suite wing, and it's more storage space than anyone could even dream of. From the master bedroom back out to the foyer, we head to the second wing of the house, which has guest bedroom number 1. And further down the hall is the mini master bedroom, which has floor-to-ceiling mirrored glass windows, which make the room appear to be floating over the rest of the home from the outside, reflecting the skyline of downtown LA. All right, let's head back out to the foyer, to the third wing of the mansion, which is the guest wing. Here we have bedrooms number 4 and 5, both complete with full bathrooms. Now from the private top floor, let's go all the way to the downstairs, which is where all the amenities are. It's basically the entertainment hub of the house. Right off the stairs, you have this little lounge entertaining area. Then you make your way over this way, and there is a 1,000-bottle wine cellar.
This wine cellar, it's a private room that has an opening and closing glass door, and it has floor-to-ceiling wire hangers to hold every bottle of wine you could ever want. 1,000 bottles of wine in one room. This is insane. This is where your gourmet chef and their staff will come to make any meal you could ever want, any time of day.
Let me just say, when you own a place like this, you are not scrambling your own eggs for breakfast.
So not only did we have the regular kitchen upstairs, any meal you could ever want in your house, as if you're at a 5-star restaurant. This is mind-blowing.
Mike, when you have a property this big, your chef is gonna live on the property with you. So built into the side of the hill on the lower level, you have basically a home within a home, with 4 guest bedrooms. They could house your world-class chef, your cleaning staff, guests, or any of your friends who need a place to crash. It's actually hard to grasp the true scale of how large this home is. But with that said, let's head back to the wine cellar, where you've just grabbed your favorite glass of wine from your 1,000-bottle cellar. And now you head on over to your very own professionally designed and engineered theater.
There's wood paneling all around. This whole place is soundproofed. It sounds like a true movie theater. This is a proper screening room inside of your house. I mean, this is the type of room where Tarantino or Scorsese calls up Leo and says, hey, come on over. I got the first cut of the movie. Let's watch it.
From the theater back out to the foyer, we head to the fitness and wellness wing of the mansion. This is complete with an in-home massage studio, a state-of-the-art steam room, and of course, a custom cedar sauna. Moving from the hallway to your own private personal gym. This gym has a treadmill, elliptical, stationary bike, there's a full weight set, and honestly, this gym is big enough where you can customize it and put whatever you want in here. And like everything else in this house, this is a convertible indoor, outdoor gym. You could come out here on a nice sunny day, do your workout on the patio, beautiful views of downtown. Now let's head back up to the main floor for the main reason why you would spend $56 million on a house on a cliff in Bel Air.
And probably the reason why you clicked on this video
is for the pool, where you have the infinity pool going off to downtown in the distance.
Another big factor here that's highly underrated is the privacy that you have in this pool. The closest neighbor that you can see from this pool is the Getty Museum, which is miles away from here.
And on a clear day, you can even see the Pacific Ocean. And speaking of views, as the sun sets and the sky turns purple, the mansion at night lights up the hilltop and is a true entertainer's dream home. Comment down below more mansion tours if you want to see more crazy places like this in Los Angeles. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more luxury content. And with that, I will see you in the next video.
Hey! Let's go.